Hey guys, it's Hayden here, and I would like to show you my latest figure purchase, and this is probably one of my last few that I wanted, so I thought I must well get it. So, a big box, it came in, and it didn't take too long to get here because it was CMS, obviously. Such a ridiculously huge box. Obviously, if you open something this big, don't use a knife like this size. Side. Kind of my fair share of photo cuts. If you knew me well, you know that it's gotta be. Holy cow. So it's from over here. Well, it's probably one of the last places that has this particular figure. Put this aside. And the box. We take the wrap out. I had to cancel some of my pre-order just so I can make way for this one. Quite a few of them. One, two. I think all in all, I think this is a good choice. Out of so many I wanted. And here is the 1/8 Saber and Saber motored capacitor, if I said it right. And the packaging is immense. Let me just check this. It's once again sculpted by Takayuki Kawahara-san, who also bought us the Saber Lily, the Golden Carbon, and the no, it's not the Sword of Promised Victory. What was that? God, I forgot the name now. But anyway, it was the other, the Saber Lily. The box. The awesome VMAX spike with the invisible air armor. So it probably gave her a extra 50 kilometers per hour to make it 400 kilometers per hour, I guess. Looks pretty darn awesome. And once again, it features a very nice base, and the figure is actually very feminine in a sense, but alongside with this, with her awesome bride here, it's crazy. I mean, the bike itself alone does capture a lot of attention there. Just wanted to look at it for quite some time. Also fallen. This box is crazy. That's about it for this rather impressive figure opening. Well, since I had just unboxed that one, and the package came in today, and I unboxed this yesterday, so I thought I would just put them all together in one video. So put this aside and open this. This time it's not a figure, it's not a Gundam. and you'll see soon enough what it is. Got it from a fellow Canadian over the eBay. It was via an expedited postage, which is very fast because it was from Etobicoke, so it was pretty quick. So since another figure, more Gundam kit, gotta know what that is and what I had reviewed in this channel. I think it was a pretty interesting case and change of pace here, because it is a rather legendary car, Ferrari 250 GTO, in a really nice black finish. Well, I did check out a few info over the net there. Has an awesome 3-liter V12, and already I want to unbox this. Yes, I'll videotape it. If there's anything wrong with this second-hand model, but I don't think so. Since he did say he is a collector himself, so I think it will be in very perfect condition. Obviously, it's a licensed product. Ooh, can't wait to check this out. So until then, see you guys.